Hey everybody, welcome back to PooLin's channel. In this video, I will show you the hoop installation of PooLin EOC05 Embroidery machine. And I prepared EOC05 Embroidery machine, 4x4-inch hoop, a hoodie, and a cutaway stabilizer. Choosing the right stabilizer is very important for your embroidery results. Today, I chose cutaway stabilizer. It's suitable for embroidery hoodies and provides stable support. Alright now, let me show you how to hood it up on the EOC05. First, let's loosen the screw on the embroidery hoop and place it on a flat surface. So, here's the inner hoop, and this one is the outer hoop. Just make sure the side with the triangle is facing up. And then, lay the cutaway stabilizer on top of the outer hoop. Oh, just a quick heads up. Please make sure there's a bit of stabilizer sticking out on all four sides. That way, it stays fully secured and gives you good tension. Next, let's lay the hoodie flat on top of the stabilizer. Smooth it out so there are no wrinkles. And then, place the inner hoop. See this little triangle here? There's another one on the outer hoop too. Here is a quick tip for you. You can feel around the edges of the outer hoop with your fingers to find the shape. That makes it easier to line up the inner hoop. Then make sure both triangle marks are facing up and matching. Alright now, press down the side with the small triangle first. Once that clicks in, press around the rest of the hoop starting from here. When you get to the middle, keep one hand holding the hoop steady, and with your other hand, press and snap the other side into place. Now go ahead, tighten the screw a bit, but don't fully tighten it. Press the hoop down again and gently stretch the fabric to make sure it's nice and smooth. A quick note here, don't pull it too tight, because that can stretch the fabric fibers. And stretched fabric won't give you great embroidery results. Just give it a gentle pull to smooth it out. That's all it takes. You can repeat that a few times if needed, just to make sure the fabric inside the hoop is smooth and wrinkle-free. Then go ahead and tighten the screw all the way. Now, the hoop is fully set up. If your fabric is too small, like hats or socks, and you can't hoop it, or if it's too thick like towels or bags, or if you are worried about hoop marks on delicate fabrics, don't worry, there is a beginner-friendly method called floating embroidery. Alright, no more talking, let's dive into floating embroidery. First, just like before, hoop the stabilizer. Same thing here, make sure both little triangles are facing up. Make sure to check the size and placement of the design you want to embroider. Just like before, flatten the head surface and position it where you want your embroidery on. Next, use pins to secure the edges, and as always, check that the fabric in the hoop is flat and wrinkle-free. And that's it for the floating embroidery setup. Pretty simple, right? Finally, line up the hoop's clasp with the slot on the machine. Press down, and when you hear that click, you are good to go. That's all for today's PooLin EOC05 hooping tutorial. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time!